Aloha guys. Keeping with the theme of trying to make some meals for your family on the cheaper side right now because price is so high. I'm gonna just show you one fast recipe that we do at home. My mother them used to make this long time ago. Was simple, was cheap, and was super easy. And I just gonna make one short video on this. And see, you guys gonna enjoy it, but the thing won't know. Okay, so basically I get chicken thighs over here, bone in, skin on. That's the cheapest, right? So anyway, I'm gonna just put salt. I'm just gonna salt them a little bit, and then I just using one frying pan and throw them in the oven because usually you're gonna lay out 10-12 pieces on pan, right? So but for this is I just making for me and my friend over here. So and then I put in granulated garlic, little bit. It's no just to taste, yeah. And then a little bit black pepper. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this thing in the oven, okay? So a little bit black pepper. I'm gonna throw this thing in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Then after, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna put marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce or whatever. You can just use bottle kind, whatever you like use, and Parmesan cheese and some butter, and that's gonna be it. Then we're gonna cook them up some more. But let me go throw this in the oven a little while, and then when the thing almost finished, you're gonna cook them to about pretty much almost finished, 4/5 the way finished, and then from there, I will add the sauce and everything. I'll show you guys the final product. Okay? I see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so the chicken said about internal temperature is about 155, 160. Not quite done yet, but almost there, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I take them out of the oven and I say add 3 pats butter. Now I don't give you the time because I say using one small oven. You know what I mean? I'm using one tabletop oven for this, so the thing is taking longer than if you put them in your regular household oven, okay? So but in your regular household oven, I would say about probably 40 minutes, somewhere around there. Then the thing will be about 150. What you're looking for, an internal temperature of about 170 when the thing stay done. Okay? So anyway, I just went to put 3 packs butter inside. Then what I'm going to do is, I just get regular old spaghetti sauce, bro. I mean, nothing special, just Prego. If you get can kind. If you make your own, you make your own, whichever way you like do them. But this is us guys saving money, right? So basically, all I'm doing is throwing some spaghetti sauce over them, or marinara sauce, whatever you like call them, but spaghetti sauce. Okay, and then I'm gonna throw a little bit sriracha inside. That's up to you if you like sriracha or not, okay? I leave that up to you guys, bro. We like sriracha. Some people don't like too hot, whatever, but we just put a little bit on the top like this. And then the last thing you're gonna put on top is just regular old grated Parmesan cheese. And you can put as much as you like. There's no rhyme or reason, just whatever you like, yeah? If you like Parmesan cheese, add more, whatever. Okay? And then from there, I was going to put them back in the oven at 350 again for about another 20 minutes to the temperature get up to at least 170. Okay? So I'll be back. Let me go finish this up and I'll show you guys the final product. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So the chicken is ready now. So I go bring them up to you and show you guys how I serve them, or how we serve them, or whatever. So just us guys eat them with rice. You can eat them with noodles too. Guys go eat them with some noodles like that. But us guys we all like rice, right? So and then we just put a little bit of the sauce on top. But trust me, bro, this thing, bro, the thing. You know what I mean? It's real simple. Chicken thighs, spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce, parm cheese, some sriracha, get some rice or whatever, and that's it, bro, right? So, anyway, just kind of sticking with the theme of trying to stretch the food dollar nowadays, because you know everything is just outrageous. Anyway, so you guys take care out there, yeah. You guys stay safe, and you guys always stay blessed. And I get the chicken katsu video coming up pretty soon. I also get my shrimp video. So anyway, I might have put out the shrimp video before this one. I'm not quite sure. And so everything's all mixed up. But anyway, you guys stay blessed out there. You guys take care, and hey, thank you for all the comments and the direct messages and whatnot. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you all you guys for all the likes and whatnot. Anyway, like I said, stay blessed, and we shall see you guys on the next video, okay? Take care, bro. Aloha.